Discover the colorful world of parrots, 3 fascinating insights. Firstly, parrots have an extraordinary ability to mimic human speech. This skill is not just mimicry but a complex form of communication. What sets them apart is their unique zygodactyl feet. 2 toes face forward and 2 backward, a perfect design for gripping. Parrots are among the most intelligent bird species. They can solve puzzles, use tools, and exhibit strong social behaviors. Interestingly, some parrot species can live up to 80 years, making them lifelong companions. Their lifespan reflects their resilience and adaptability. Their diet is as colorful as their appearance, consisting of fruits, seeds, and nuts, showcasing their preference for a varied platter.